Sound testing. Hello guys, good evening. Try natin ngayon mag-develop. Actually, developing. Nag-start na ako ng scheduler. Mag-create ng scheduler using Cursor and ChatGPT. So, try ko muna yung live natin kung working. Parang hindi siya working. Saglit lang. Okay. So, live na tayo guys. Naka-live na tayo. Check ko lang. Live na tayo. May sound. 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 Okay. Okay na siya. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, ang gagawin kasi natin or ang ginawa ko na is nag-create na ako ng table at saka yung percentage nito. Yung ginagawa ko kasi para sa monitoring ng shop drawings natin ng Rescue Ones. Meron na kaming existing na ah, monitoring sheets na ginawa ng manager namin. So, pero medyo mabagal na siya kasi kapag magkakape-paste ka ng madaming projects at madaming buildings, mabagal siya once naka-formula ka. So imagine if every sales here merong corresponding formula para lang mag-ano siya dito, ma-fill yung Gantt chart mo, yung bar, depending on your start and durations and end of the activities. At ito pala, naglagay na ako ng accomplishment per shop drawings natin. So for example, this one, kapag mag 40% siya, dapat, let me check. Balik ko muna rito kasi baka hindi pa So, dapat pala, pag mag-save kayo ng file na Excel, dapat naka.xlms. So, ibig sabihin, naka-enable yung macro mo. So, ayan, block muna natin yan. Close ko muna to kasi hindi siya nag-function. Pag mag-download kayo ng Excel file na naka-VBA macro siya, enable, dapat Ayan, block muna ninyo para ma-full access and full control niyo yung file. And before that, punta kayo dito muna sa tab bars natin. If you can't say the developer tabs here, punta lang kayo dito sa file, options, and punta kayo dito sa customize ribbon. Tapos dito sa right side, yung default kasi ni Excel ay this developer tab, naka-uncheck yan. So you need just to check this developer option para ma-show na dun sa tab natin. Ito. Then dito tayo magagalaw sa VBA Visual Basic. As you can see, meron tayo ditong VBA project sa Microsoft Excel Objects, Forms, and Modules. Originally, wala tong forms tapos modules. Kapag mag-insert kayo ng forms and mga modules, yun, nagkakaroon na siya. So, kapag para ma-insert niyo yung forms, ito lang. And insert niyo yung modules, ito lang. Yung modules, dyan natin ilalagay yung mga codes. And yung duration na yan, ito yung form interface na magpapapap kung gusto natin. Okay? Close ko muna yan. Dapat kasi Okay. Ito, ayan, working siya. Let's say 100, 6 out of 6 na tanggalin muna natin yan. Ayan. Okay. So you can see, meron tayong bars dito. Para sa accomplishment lang muna to. So hindi siya connected pa rito sa coloring natin sa Gantt chart. Nilagay ko lang din para mas madali i-monitor. And dito naman sa duration tapos sa start date natin, gumawa ko ng VBA code na kapag ma-insert natin, ma-input natin yung start date and the duration, automatically, the end and the delegate will be reflected in the corresponding column. So, as you can see, wala siyang formula. Pwede siya i-delete. Pwede siya i-delete. So, for example, ngayong date, 12/19, and mag-create tayo ng 5 durations yan. Automatically, i-sub yan yung end date. So, kasama yan yung ano na yan. Bali, naka-plus lang yan. So, ito, ipa-plus natin, December 23. So, huwag niyong kalimutan, dapat deduct tayo ng one duration. Kasi kung makikita ninyo, from December 19 and 23, sorry, not deduct. Dapat plus natin yung start tapos date. Kasi kasama yan sa duration. So, kapag December 19, dito na lang. So, pag December 19, so kasama siya sa date 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kapag direct deduction lang natin yan, 23 minus 19, so papatak lang tayo ng, ilan ba yun? Sa algebraic function. So, 4 lang, dapat pala mag-plus plus 1 tayo palagi. Kasi, isasama natin yung date 19 and 23. So, plus 1 palagi yan. Okay? And let's say 12/24. And meron tayong 10. Then, automatically sa delegate, mag-create siya ng sample delegate. And, punta kayo rito, click lang na yung delegates na yan. Ito ang gagawin natin mamaya. Wala pa kasing corresponding colors to. Let's say so, hindi pa siya. Balik tayo. Then, itong date natin, date ng Gantt chart, nag-develop ako ng code din na kapag click natin yung durations, automatically from the start date, kung anong year niya ginamit natin is 2025 is 12. So, so kapag i-click ko yan, mag-generate ako ng dalawang months. Automatically, mag-generate yung month na yan corresponding sa first date natin, which is December 25. 2025, din dalawang months. So, kung mag-generate tayo ng 5, automatically, mag-generate yung 5 na yan until April 26. So, try natin to as uh, 7/1/27. So, generate lang natin yan. July 27 na yung mag-start niya. And kapag mag-1 lang tayo, automatically madidelete yung existing na uh, Gantt chart date natin. So, ang kagandahan dito, wala siyang formula guys. Lahat, wala siyang formula. So, pwede siya ma-delete kasi naka-code tayo rito. Ito, kapag i-open ko yan. So, by the aid of Cursor and ChatGPT, yan, uh, magamit natin siya. Tanungin muna natin si ChatGPT. Ano ba si Cursor? Ano ba si ChatGPT? Although alam naman natin sa mga gumagamit na nito kung anong gamit ng Cursor and ng ChatGPT. So, what is ChatGPT and Cursor? So, ngayon pala may bagong version si ChatGPT. 5.2 na siya. And kapag mag-start tayo mamaya, gagamit tayo ng Canvas. Kung gagamit tayo ng Cursor. So, sabi dito, ChatGPT by OpenAI is a conversational AI assistant to interact with using natural language, chat, or voice. It can help you answer questions, plan, consider draft, and etc. Think of it as an AI teammate to talk. Yes, yes. While the Cursor is an AI-powered code editor. So, code editor siya. Designed to work directly with your project code base. You can describe what you want and Cursor can edit code. Help with auto-complete inline edits and use an agent that can handle larger tasks, including editing multiple files and running terminal commands depending on the setup Cursor. In your setup. Yun, alam na natin siya. Ang kagandahan kay Cursor, especially kapag gumagawa ka ng mga HTML web page, pwede siya mag-live update. And sa base experience ko, effective siya sa mga applications, especially yung gagawa ka ng application guys, using C#, Python, so mas mabilis siya. So pwede kayo pwede kayo mag-chat, mag-react. Alam ko na mga natutulog na especially sa Pinas kasi time natin ngayon is 9:47 sa Saudi and sa Pinas siguro mga alas 2 na. 5 hours late kami rito. Okay. Saan na ba tayo? Okay. So, ang gagawin pala natin, punta tayo sa delegates kasi yung delegates, meron na akong ginawa rito. And i-delete ko muna to. Ang problema kasi, hindi siya nagko-color automatically. Pero nung kahapon nagko-color siya, ayan, automatically na siya, 'di ba? Ayan, pero hanggang 8 lang siya, hanggang 8 lang. Tapos yung more than sa, I mean, 7, sorry. More than sa sample 7, hindi na siya nag-generate. And kapag i-delete ko to, hindi madi-delete yung color ng delegate. Kasi ang gusto kong gawin, kung anong color ng delegates, dapat kapag i-select ko to, automatically, ano siya, magkakaroon siya rito. Okay, so kailangan ko muna yung i-generate, generation, let's say 1. Tapos ito, hindi na siya balik tayo rito. Delegates. Kasi wala tayong delegates, sorry. Hindi na siya nagkakaroon ng kulay rito. Tapos hindi na clear. Dapat kasi na-clear siya. Okay, so back tayo dito. Ayan, automatically dapat ano siya rito. Ang kagandahan, kapag i-clear natin to, automatically yung end and delegate wala na siya. Pati yung drop list. Yung kagandahan ng code, code base tayo. Okay, so ngayon, ang gagawin ko muna, close ko muna to. Okay. And save ko lang. Itong nasa desktop yung ano natin, scheduler folder. And open ko si Cursor. Ito. Kapag nag-open kayo ng Cursor, let's say, wait install muna natin yung update. Dapat mag-browse kayo ng folder at kung saan kayo nakasave, kung saan nakasave yung ano ninyo, yung gagawa ng folder ninyo, yung application. So, for that, i-browse ko yung project and punta ako dito sa desktop and itong scheduler 2. Tapos, makikita ninyo, ito na yung LXMS natin. And napansin ko kay Cursor, sorry, nag-update pala. Wait natin. Napansin ko kay Cursor, mas ano siya, mas mabilis niyang i-access si Visual Studio. Kung gagamit ka ng Visual Studio, mas mabilis. Compare sa Excel mismo, medyo nahihirapan siya na, hindi naman nahihirapan, medyo matagal. Medyo matagal niya i-access. Tapos manual pa yung sometimes hindi niya nakukuha ng tama. Okay? So click natin yung editor. May option kasi dito, editor and agents. So kung mali nag-editor ako para kita ko yung mga files dito. Okay, open muna natin to kasi kailangan natin i-set up yung gusto nating mangyari kay kay Excel. Ang gusto natin mangyari muna sa delegates. Okay. Sabihin ko dito, check the VBA code of the scheduler3.x LSMAO file and update the delegates color generations. It should be yes, it should be clear. The color in hindi, sabi natin when the delegate name in column B in sheet number 2 siya number 2, so delegates. Paano natin malalaman yung yung anong sheet number? Ito yan, punta developer and ito Okay, when the delegate name in column B is empty, clear the corresponding color in column C. Also, the color generation, sorry, the color generation is until row 8 only. It should be infinite. Uh, what should be generate once the delegate name and column B is existing. What do you call this? B is present or exists. Anyway, like that. Ah, ito ang kagandahan. Update, di, i-update natin mismo na. May option kayo na i-update ninyo yung ipasabi ninyo kay Cursor yung file mismo. Pero, ayun, medyo matagal lang. Or, isang option, you can tell Cursor to provide the updated code and you can input it manually here. Okay, so close ko na lang muna to kasi pinapa-update ko na ng automatic kay Cursor. Maximize ko. And let's enter. And by the way, may mga agent type pala dito. Agent, plan, debug. Ito yung auto natin. Merong auto or you can select the corresponding agent type. So, based sa mga kanya-kanyang server. Pero, ang suggestion ni Cursor, para ma-maximize, hindi siya maximize, para hindi ka ma-expired. I mean, hindi maubos ka agad yung ano mo, credits before mag-end yung month, dapat i-auto mo. Kasi, ano niya, ni-schedule na niya or mina-maximize yung paggamit na hindi mauubos yung credits mo within the 1 month. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo talaga, ito, pwede mag-direct ka, Composer, Opus 4.5, Sonnet, GPT 5.2, Gemini, Grok, and etc. Okay, so i-auto natin yan, then set natin. So, wait lang natin sa response niya. Pwede kayo mag-comment guys dyan. And as you can see, nag-start na siya. Pero maliit medyo maliit yung ano natin. Pasa ba niya? Parang walang live siya. Ito na. So, ang ginagawa ni Cursor, extract muna niya yung mga VBA code using Python. Actually, mas mabilis siya mag-extract using Python. 1060. So far ano naman siya, clear. Clear naman siya. So far ano naman siya, clear. Thank you for watching. May nanonood sa atin. Yung iba mga tulog pa. Tapos wala ding time guys eh. Sa pasensya na kayo sa mga subscribers natin. Minsan na lang tayo nakakapag-live. And as you can see, may mga generated na to in the folders. So, inabit niya yung generate the delegate colors. Tapos yung mod delegate colors na VBA code na modules. Kasi nga, yun ang sinabi natin sa delegates lang. So, later on, ililink natin yun dun sa Gantt chart colors. So, dapat mag-match siya. So, every time mag-create tayo doon ng delegates and the duration, dapat magre-reflect yung color natin doon sa Gantt chart part. Ayun, na-replace na ninyo and makakita ninyo din yung mga generated files here. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung mga generated na ongoing generation ng properties niya. It will be uh, Ayun. So, continuous tayo. Naka-off lang yung ano natin, naka-mute. So, nag-generate si ChatGPT ng new code. Ayun. So, continuous tayo. Naka-off lang yung ano natin, naka-mute. So, nag-generate si ChatGPT ng new code. Ayun. Okay. So, continuous tayo. Saglit. Naka-off lang yung ano natin, naka-mute. So, nag-generate si ChatGPT. Ayun. So, try natin to i-replace dun. Tap lang natin yan. And back tayo rito. So, ito yung ginagawa ko. Kapag hindi makuha ni Cursor, pupunta ako sa kay ChatGPT din. I-refine ko yung code niyo. So, back ako rito. Then, close ko. Okay. Then, refresh ko yan. So, yan. 16. And, tanggal ko muna yan. And, oops. Ito yung formula. Screenshot ko yan. And, paste ko rito. Parang nare-restrain siya eh. Fix. Error. So, yan. Pag ma-paste mo na yung error, automatically, i-check niya ni ChatGPT. Magaganda kasi dito, direct paste mo yung screenshot mo, then siya na yung mag-analyze. And for the free trial, I think may limited na ano lang, paste na pwede mo lang magamit. And let's wait lang kung anong magiging recommendation ni ChatGPT. No, hindi rin ako marunong sa code na yan. Although may alam ako basic na coding. Pero kapag i-create ko siya from the scratch, so hindi kaya. Okay. Sabi niya rito, nag-error ng 457 kapag nag-add siya ng kasi already exists na daw. So in your case, when two different names end up generating the same RG belong. Kasi nagpapareha sila. Kasi ito yung basic na color. Okay. So try natin. Sabi natin, okay. Use first the primary color, and after that, or sabi natin na lang use color, I think the problem here is regarding the primary color generation. Yun ang naisip ko kasi na-stop siya dun sa sa mga primary color lang to eh. Use color. Use other colors also. So, nag-generate na siya. Ang kagandahan dito guys, for example nito, kung ima-manual pa yan, manual coding, sobrang dami yan. Especially hindi naman tayo full-time na programmer. So, laking tulong talaga ng AI. Sabi niya, pinalitan niya ng muted pastel, not strong red, greens, primary. Still, determinist, same name. Okay. Okay, copy natin to. Punta tayo rito again. Sana yun? Modules. Delegate colors ba to? Delegate colors. Delegate colors. Back. Okay. Ah, generate. Iba na siya. Ito na yan, sorry. Close ko yan. Sample 1. Bula. Nice. Yun nga ang problema yata. Yung primary color. Yun, no? See? Automatic na siya. Kapag malili tayo ng data dito sa column B, ayun. Very nice. Nice. Okay. Now, isip ko muna to. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, nag-save ako palagi. Save. Balik ako rito. And ito, tanggalin ko na lang to. And copy ko to. Open ko ulit. And punta tayo dito kay ChatGPT. Nice. It's working. Now, create also the automatic numbering and sorry, in column A and clear if the corresponding data in B is empty. Okay, sorry, is empty. Ayan. So, gusto ko na i-generate siya. Auto numbers, column A, starting, and clears A and C whenever the corresponding B is empty. Ayan, so maganda yan. So, open natin ito ulit. And punta tayo dito sa developer and delegates. Pero kung magaling ka talaga sa code, pwede diretso mo na lang dito eh. Sana yun sa clear. Clear. Search lang natin. Ito. Pero yun. Yan. Pero para sa mga katulad sa akin, copy-paste na lang ninyo. Ayan. So, try natin to. Copy natin. Back dito. Paste. And once matapos to, i-share natin dun para sa group natin from level 2 and up. Okay, so tanggal natin to. Ayan, Beulah. Ayan, no? See? Wala siyang formula and automatically generated. And back home tayo. Generation 5. Taran. Okay, so save as ko muna to. Nakasave na. Copy ko ulit to and copy to. Okay, so it's working now, no? Ngayon, itatry ko i-drag siya rito kay ChatGPT. Okay, now check the attach scheduler 3 file. Um, update the file to generate the Gantt chart. Gantt chart coloring, depending on the start date and date, durations, and the color will and the color base on the delegates the corresponding delegate names. Name color. Okay. So yun, pwede rin si ChatGPT mag-generate ng ganyan. So, drag lang natin yung file at saka extract din yan niya. And pwede natin sabihin siya, code lang yung generate niya or yung file mismo. Habang naghihintay guys, mag-ano muna ako. Kapi. I-mute ko lang to guys. Ayun, natapos na, no? Di pa ako nakapagpainit. So, na-updated niya yung file. Sabi niya, done. I updated your workbook. So, that Gantt area, MQ, come to MEQ. Ah, dapat kasi hindi dito, hindi hanggang sa MQ lang. It should be, pero i-try natin muna. Sige. Try muna siya natin i-open. Baka kasi code base na siya. Dynamic. Okay. And updated. Okay. Then, right-click natin to. Ayan. I-unblock lang natin yan kapag na bagong downloaded. Okay. So, tayo, delete muna natin to. And let's say January 1, 2026. And mag-generate ako ng tatlo. Okay? Duration, tatlo. Oh, so hindi siya nag-generate. Hindi siya nag-generate. So, may color naman yung sample 1 natin. So, not January. So, February, kasama pa siya. 26. Okay. Then, ayan. So, hindi siya nag-generate kasi dapat mag-generate siya. Let's say 1. Pero, try natin tong 25 lang. Wala rin siya. Okay. Not working. Not working. And the Gantt chart coloring should be based on the Gantt chart, meaning it should be dynamic. Hindi Gantt chart eh. Dapat and date, end date, and durations. Should be dynamic, not specific sales only. Hello, Engineer Chiban. How are you? Thank you for following our live. Chivani, thank you for supporting. So we are conducting here the formulation or generation of the scheduler. Of course, we are not uh, a programmer by profession, so but we can do it by using AI, with the AI, especially the Cursor, the ChatGPT. Okay, thank you for commenting and for watching our live. Okay, let's go back now. I still thinking. Yes, yes, sure. No problem. So probably next time we will be conducting like that using the VBA. And I hope we can generate more advanced code because the previous VBA code is just my work without the aid of the AI. So this time I think much we will create a much better application using VBA code. And all the spreadsheets with VBA code that we will generated in our live streaming, I will be sending in the post community. So for all the members from level 2 up to level 3 will be can download that files. So just let's just wait to finish. And while waiting, so I just need to prepare my coffee. Okay, so ChatGPT, tapos na niya. So one of the condition, make sure rule 4 contains dates. So meron naman siya. Start date. So, but, so the coloring is eliminated, remove here. Okay, I will delete this one and open again. See, ChatGPT remove the progress bar and column H. So, check muna natin yung na-update ni ChatGPT for this one. Delegate Scholar. Okay, so let's ask first. Then I will clear this. Let's ask first the cursor. Okay, I will close this one and okay. Extract. So, ang gagawin ko, extract ko yung mga lahat ng modules. Sorry. Extract all the modules code in sorry of and text file. So yan, once we generated or extracted the modules, then I will be attaching it to ChatGPT. So although you can make it manually by copy and paste thing in the notepad and save it this as .txt, but I think this is much easier. So wala ka nang gagawin. And let's wait to finish the process. Okay, so already generated. So this is the generated codes from the spreadsheets. Let's import this one to ChatGPT. Okay, so I will be creating new chat here, and I will be using 5.2 and thinking option and this canvas. Okay, from the attach module codes, BB codes, provide its respective code and separate. Okay, let's wait to finish it. So already done. For a moment, guys. Share natin dito sa, sa Facebook din. Okay, so ChatGPT generated all the modules code from the scheduler tree.xlsm. So we have 10, meron tayong durations. Now, I want to create a Gantt chart for based on the start date and the duration and the color will be based on the corresponding color of the delegates. Then let's wait to finish the process of ChatGPT.
Generating a first draft is easy, but polishing it?
So now we'll create the new module. Right click, select insert module, and let's name this as mode Gantt bars. And let's paste this, copy, and paste here. Okay. And another in the sheet one. Let's go here, double click, copy. Next, and the sheet two, added. Then optional, update yung mode Gantt header. This one. At the end of the Gantt chart scheduler, just before clicking accept, let's search that one. Okay, here, let's copy this one just before the clean exit. Let's paste this one. Let's close this and open this tools. Okay. Beulah. See, it's working. 2027. Let's try to use 715. Oh, that's a problem. It's not updating. Because it is 2025. Let's Beulah. Let's try another sample. But this is December 2025. Let's say. Let's try to use August 15, 2027. But we need to generate up to 3 months. Generate, let's say 3 months. Beulah. See? Then let's change the sample to. Now, it's working now, brother. And it automatically changes the color based on the color of the sample. Yeah, it's working, guys. And the delegates. Let's remove the green lines. Okay, so I think when we clicking the delegates button, it's showing here, and I think it's much okay if we will hide also the scheduler once we are here in the delegates sheet. It's the same with the home button. Let's go here, developer. It's the home. Open home. Let's see, open scheduler. Yeah, this one. So we need to hide this one. We need to copy, but we will change it the scheduler instead. So let's come here in the delegate sheets. Sorry, it should be from the. Okay, tama. Okay, delegates very hidden. What's the difference of this one? Okay. When we open the delegate sheets, see, activated. Okay, this should be the scheduler should be hide also here in copy villa. Okay, let's try. When we open the delegates, Oh, duration. Sorry. Duration when we delegate, let's come now back here. Open the delegate sheets. So when we open the delegate sheets, it should be the scheduler. Ah, okay. The delegates should be show the visible, and this one we will copy it here again. Okay. So it will be show, and the scheduler will be hidden. Okay. But this is scheduler. Delegates. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back here. Delegates. Viewer. So as you can see in the sheet name, you cannot see the scheduler sheets already here. So kahit i-try ninyo i-hide yan, hindi siya makikita. Yeah. Oh, but cannot open. Ah, okay, okay. So let's go back here. We need to activate also. Copy this one and here. Okay. So we need to show the delegates also. Okay. Show delegates. Instead delegates, this should be the scheduler. And okay. The scheduler. Let's go back home. Viewer. Delegates. Home. And as you can see, it's working now, guys. 35%, 45%, it's automatically updated. And and even you can paste this one. Let's try to paste if it's working. See, it's working, guys. January. Let's say January 23, 2025. Okay. Then we have 10 days sample, and of course we need to generate the months and year 2025. So let's click this duration. But no, here's the thing. Our duration code is based from here. So meaning if you want to generate the date, because we all know that Gantt chart will be starting from the first activity, so it should be aligned with this one. Let's use January 1, 2025. Okay. So January 1, 2025, then let's generate duration of 5 months. Yeah, it's working, guys. 2, 3, 4, and if we change the delegate's name here, let's say let's go home. Well, and Ryan, but we need to change this one because it's 2027. Let's say 5. Okay. And yeah, this is good, guys. It's very good. So without the formula, you can create the Gantt chart easily, and it will take in a short period of time. So no need to make what do you call this? No need to wait for a long time just to create the scheduler using the Excel and with the formula. Although it's very easy and it's very convenient to use the formula, no need for the code. But the problem here, if you have many more data or many projects that you can show all together, so it's very slow. And I tried in my computer. When I tried using the formula, it takes 24 seconds per changes. For example, I just need to change this one, the date, then I will plus add one. So this one, it's a milliseconds only, it automatically changes. But when using the formula, it takes 24 seconds for one change only. See? So from here, based on our code, so you cannot see any formulas here. Okay, and even you can delete this one. It's very easy. And okay, I will save this one. And I think much better if we will create a new button for the delete rows. Delete rows. Okay, so let's try to create the code when we selecting the cells here. The corresponding rows will be deleted using this button. Okay, anyway, we'll need to save this one first as a backup. Always back up your file. So this one I will be deleting this one. Deleting. And this is, let's say, one as a copy. Okay. So I think it's much better, much easier to generate code here in ChatGPT and not directly updating the file itself. Much better if you will update it manually, code by code and module by module. It's much effective, brother. Okay. Now, provide the VBA code to delete the corresponding rows, sorry, corresponding rows of the selected cells. Yun. So, ganyan lang yung outs. So, wala na siya. Mag-create lang tayo ng bago, instant, thinking, and canvas. Okay, ganyan lang. So, kapag nag-error na siya, ibig sabihin, matagal na hindi tayo nag-update. Copy muna tayo.